The Demerara Harbour Bridge Company has completed an assessment of the damages and has proceeded with repairs following Monday's accident.
General Manager for the Demerara Harbour Bridge Corporation, Ralston Adams, informed InfoHub that the new components of the hydraulic cabin, which was damaged, will be made at its workshop on Wednesday. Quote, "We will install off-site, do some testing, then we will bring it back to the bridge and hopefully install the cabin on the bridge by Friday," end quote. After the reinstallation of the repaired cabin, the Demerara Harbour Bridge Corporation will determine the earliest possible time that retraction can resume to accommodate the passage of marine traffic. On Monday evening, a vehicle sped off the bridge. While there were no reported injuries sustained by the occupant, the vehicle has since been removed and traffic along the bridge allowed to flow. Shaquille Bourne for InfoHub.